Pydiflumetofen is a member of the succinate dehydrogenase inhibitor (SDHI) class of fungicides. It is recommended especially for canola, oilseed rape, soybeans, and rice. Mode of action: Pydiflumetofen inhibits the succinate dehydrogenase enzyme, complex 2, in the mitochondrial electron transport chain of fungi. This disruption prevents the production of ATP, which is necessary for cellular energy, leading to the death of fungal cells. Formulation: Pydiflumetofen is available in various formulations, including emulsifiable concentrate, EC, water dispersible granules, WG, and suspension concentrate, SC. These formulations facilitate easy application and ensure effective coverage of crops. Uses: Pydiflumetofen is used to manage a wide range of fungal diseases, including powdery mildew, leaf spots, and various rusts. It is effective on numerous crops such as cereals, soybeans, fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. The broad-spectrum activity and protective and curative properties make it a valuable tool in integrated disease management programs. Key targets include sudden death syndrome, SDS, caused by Fusarium virguliforme on soybeans, blackleg on canola, oilseed rape, caused by Leptosphaeria maculans, Bakanae on rice, caused by Gibberella fujikuroii. Additionally, Pydiflumetofen is very safe for seeds and emerging seedlings, promoting rapid and strong emergence under a wide range of environmental conditions. Dosage: the recommended dosage of Pydiflumetofen varies depending on the crop and disease. For example, soybeans, 150 to 300 grai of active ingredient per hectare for controlling sudden death syndrome, SDS. Canola, oilseed rape, 100-200 gallons active ingredient for controlling black leg. Rice, 200-300 dye active ingredient for controlling Bakanae. Always refer to the product label and follow local agricultural extension recommendations for specific usage instructions and safety guidelines. Thank you for watching our video on pesticide info. Remember, when using pesticides, it's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and guidelines provided by the manufacturer. Always read the label carefully and use the product as directed to ensure effective and safe pest control. Always wear protective gear. Stay safe and protect your crops responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below.